Okay, this is public and active, and here you will see the question. You can write your question. You can keep on publishing it. You can save the draft as well. Item uses. So whichever item you want to attach to it, you can. Okay, some options that you want to do. Okay, yeah. Required for item completion. Sometimes that is optional, but sometimes it is mandated. Okay, in how many days do you have to complete it? Include comment field for each question. Yes or no, and then at the end you have email notification. So when you complete it, how will it look like? So I can actually customize it, so not bad. Everywhere, as I mentioned last time, that email notification is customized anytime so you can choose your data. And again, we already talked about it, all the talk. Let's go and see and create our own. Can I ask how earlier I saw you mentioned? I saw the SAP help you mentioned. You can have more than one instructor. How do you do that here? Yeah, we'll do that. I'll go to the item. I'll show you. Now let's complete this part, then we'll jump on to that. Yeah, okay, so I click on Add a New. Simple, you give it a code. Follow-up survey or feedback survey. Can I ask you, cost feedback? Is it for online course? Or is it? How do I define whether is it a cost feedback or is it? Oh yeah, this one. So see what happens sometimes. You have one survey. Sorry, followed by another training. So we are doing our. One example can be, so is that, immediately after the class, you would send, oh, we need to, oh, so survey, we need to trigger. Am I correct? Correct, it's not a manual send out, right? No. So what happens? Not manual. No, it will go. The code. Feedback is first of all when we complete our entire code. Oh, okay, got it. Okay, but follow-up survey can be like I said. You gave me a training and I said, okay, the training was good, instructor was good, everything was good. I submitted it. Now another survey, that, how likely will you prefer to go with this? How likely will you consider us? That is a follow-up. Okay, that is after they have a cost feedback. Yes, something I mean ask them for like a follow-up. Oh yeah, okay, got it, so I choose any one of them. Follow-up survey, what happens? We keep it very crispy, 1 or 2 lines so that we can send another follow-up one. But course feedback is once you have completed. Okay, so I write description. So there. Now I go to the question here. I'll start putting all my question now. When I say resource site, will it be instructor or not? That's up to you. How do you want to show it? So none is nothing. So instructor means it's the instructor. This is the one to provide the feedback for the instructor. That question and a question mark. Oh, the next one. Okay, this is to add any question. I said in the first case, I will only talk about the instructor. Okay, oh. Now the questions that we were talking about. The question is, how likely will you refer him or her? The trainer, yep. So now that's up to you. Either you want to go with the rating scale, you want to go with multiple choice, one question, or open it. That's up to you. If I choose rating scale, I click on it and I go to this, and I choose the rating scale. If I go level 1, 3, 5, I say 5. So of course 5. You know 1 is being 4. 5 is excellent. Yes, okay, I choose. More likely, less likely, agree, disagree, something like that. Okay, if I choose anything else like multiple choice answer choice, you will have to give it, so you will keep on adding. The answer choice, okay. So I will say not likely, okay, okay. Average right. Most likely. Okay, understand, something like that, getting me? Yes, this is one way. Again you said, okay, the question should be more in this section, page 1. There can be different pages, so in order to add page, you will click here. Okay, add page. In order to add question, you will click here. I want to add another question in this page only, so I will add another. Our material provided by the instructor, right? Again, same thing. Here I say, okay, one choice for you, to whatever. Any one of them, although one choice means there should be a new one. Right, let's say I add another question, that is one. So I go to multiple choice. Yeah, here you can do open-ended. Well, they will have an option to write whatever they want, just an open-ended scenario. Okay, clear, okay. Yes, you said your questions will be into 2 parts, so you created one. Under that, there will be 2 questions, one related to instructors, one related to general, which is not related to that, but it will be related to code. Okay, so you write, how was the question? You start adding from here, same thing. How was the code?